Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Hey everyone, what's up? So at this point, we're gonna react to BINI, right? And this track is called Joy to the World official video. So this was done 5 days ago. I'm a bit late, but you know, it's a Christmas song and it's a remake, right? Because Joy to the World song was here like ages and years ago, so it's actually a remake in different style, in different pattern. Okay, so let's see what BINI has to say in this track. Peace. Yeah, so this song was done like millennia ago, years, right? So I guess this is a sing over on a here because I know BINI, they have some really good, incredible voices. So I'm eager to hear what are the capabilities. So let's continue.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King.
Yo, I love this, bro. I love this. And music, it's beautiful. Especially when we're singing to the King, the Most High. Music, it's beautiful, bro. So let's continue.
Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and
Heaven and nature sing, bro. I love this song so much. As a youth growing up, this was one of my favorite Christmas songs ever. It brings back so much nostalgia. It's very good to listen to. It makes you feel refreshed, refined.
heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
Nice. Very nice, BINI. Very nice. Very nice. Joy, 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 joy.
All my girls are singing.
Who else is feeling the Christmas vibe? I'm feeling the Christmas vibe because here in Jamaica, I'm feeling the beautiful presence of the wind, bro. Like God is in this place, bro. And it's good, bro. It's good. I feel this Christmas is gonna be better than last year because, bro, last year it was good but not good enough. I mean, like the energy, it wasn't connecting. But this song literally gives me the Christmas spirit, the Christmas vibe, bro. Especially for the animation. The animation is cute.
Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ.
Wow. Wow, this is a different voice. Guys, I'm sorry, but I do not know them differently, but I can only tell by the voice recognition. And trust me, this is a beautiful song. It puts a smile on my face, bro, to see people nowadays embracing the Christmas culture, the Christmas heritage. Trust me, especially for young people, this is a phenomenon.
Wild fields and floods, bronze hills and plains. Repeat the sound, enjoy. Repeat the sound.
Yo, repeat the sound, enjoy. Yo, Bwah, bwah. Stunning.
Enjoy, repeat the sound, enjoy, repeat.
The sounds, enjoy. Repeat. The sounds, enjoy. Bro, let's give God thanks, man, because this music, it's awesome, bro. It's awesome and quite remarkable.
The sound, enjoy.
All right, now it's in a different tempo. So let's see the excitement of this track. Let's see the excitement of this line.
Siyempre pa lang nagsisimula, apat na buwang kasiyahan, walang sawang pagdiriwang. Putong bumbong at bibingka, fruit cake na pinasa pa sa lechon, hamon, queso de bola, handa para sa noche buena.
So again, I guess this is in a different language, obviously. So I guess this is in what language now? What language do they speak differently? Spanish. I'm not sure. French, I'm not sure, but I guess this is Spanish. But regardless, I love it. I love it.
Panggabi, Christmas party, caroling, gabi-gabi, barkada ay panayang ay basta kasama rin buong pamilya. Heroes the world.
Oh my god, this is a great video. Great song, by the way. Ra, 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 ra. Great song, guys. Great song. BINI, you guys are doing well. Great song.
With truth and grace and makes the nations prove the glory.
The singing is impressive. The singing, it's impressive. With that beautiful vocal in that voice, you guys have this song to last for decades to come. I mean, like, you guys have done this song on the right time, because, you know, when Christmas comes, people are going to search for this type of song to play in their playlist while, you know, making preparation for Christmas, families, having time with families, you know, go to church, all those nice places. This song is perfect to be in someone's playlist, right? So, very good. Very, very good.
Breeze of his righteousness and wonders of his love and wonders of his love.
And wonders of his love. Bah, bah.
And wonders, wonders of his love. And wonders, wonders
Of his love.
his love. Joy to the world, joy to the
Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful Christmas song, BINI. You guys have done well. And you know, I love the beat. I love the instrumental. The beat is so refined, so good, so entertaining. But if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.